Federal Reserve. Tell me, the Federal Reserve, or the people, the power at B, the government. I live in a location where the mall, a lot of these stores are closing down. People are losing their businesses. People are losing their livelihoods. How can you justify raising tax prices, raising the cost of living because of what? The coronavirus? I didn't decide to shut down the world. I did not create the virus. However, the virus came to be. You created it, okay? I didn't ask for this shit. I didn't ask for any of this. So why is this being done to me? Not just to me. Why is this being done to the whole planet? People want to protest about the fact that the cost of living is going up. And we don't even make a lot of money. Most people live off of minimum wage. Most people, there's only a few percent of people that make $100,000 a year and more and plus. And most people are working two jobs to even make ends meet to survive. And yet there increases the prices. Now you tell me, is America a place to live? You tell me, is this what you call freedom? Is this what you call the Star Spangled Banner? This is what you call the home and the brave and the free? This is what you call something to fight for? This is why I'm talking and saying, help those that you can and leave the system, come up with a plan and get the hell out. Because shit is hitting the fan. Imagine you're on Titanic, the ship, and you see the ship is sinking. Are you gonna keep swimming on that ship? Are you gonna keep staying on that ship? Or are you gonna leave that ship? Oh, they have a saying, I'm the captain of my ship, and if my ship goes down, I'm going with it. That's stupid. I'm not going down with my ship. If my ship is sinking, I'm going to help as much people as I can. If the rest choose to stay, sayonara, I'm gone. But based on what's going on in the world, we are living in hellish times. We are in hell. We are in what you may call it a devil-like world. And people are blind. They are so blind. It's just the way it is. That's all they're going to, it's just the way it is. It's nothing. What can you do? Really, you can speak about it. You want to protest? This is what we should supposed to be protesting about. Get back our economy. Get back our world. Take back what's ours. Why are we letting these people rape us and rob us of everything that we have? They're taking our freedoms away. People are losing their livelihoods. Is that not taking their freedoms? Is that not what you call taking someone's freedom? Their livelihood, everything that they worked for? What about all those people who lost their jobs? Oh, unemployment is going to take care of them. They just passed I think a law stating that after July 29th, you don't get a weekly stipend. You don't get weekly pay. So you wait a month. What happens if they decide to take that away? And people still can't survive. This is insane. This is insanity. This is insanity. You cannot justify this. You cannot logically, in your mind, say that this is okay. No one in their right mind can say this is right. I will never say it's right. I will never accept this. This is wrong. Purely evil. We're living in a hellish evil world. People wake up.